see that our each polygon of our dataset here is soil map, right? This each area of let's create this soil map. Each area of each polygon of our dataset is calculated. In case you don't have this, right, this field, for instance, you drew a polygon using this using this option, right? Draw a polygon, but the area field is not compulsory in your attribute table. This and this tables fields will be compulsory, but area you should create by your own. And it's actually it's easy to calculate a polygon area of each polygon in case you have the spatial in case if the coordinate system of your dataset is known, but we will talk about it later on the following models. So let's just print screen that and show that our table is created, right? We calculated the field. So next question, create a new table called topography. Save it in your workspace directory. Add two fields to the table, top code and top description. Data type for top code is text5 and for top description is text25. So in this exercise we will learn how to create tables. So in ArcMap I will repeat again, we are able to create not just spatial data sets, but we are able to create the tables itself without spatial information. For this, you again open data management tools and go to table here. And here we can find create table. Again, we choose the location of our table where our table will be saved. So I again choose workspace. So a name table name is again topography, right? Topography. Topography. So actually you don't have to add extension here, but we can write also extension dbf, right? So the table extension here in ArcMap is dbf. And now we can click OK, and now here is our table is already created. But see that in table of contents we have several views, right? List by drawing order. We can have list the information we're working with by drawing order, right? So in data frames, in data sets, etc. But here it's list by source, right? So for instance, here we cannot find tables, because here we can find only data sets and layers, but here we can find table, and our table we just created is here, topography, but it cannot of course be visually represented on a view window. It's just a table, right? So it's actually now currently it's empty. So we show that our table is created. And let's go to the second question, B. When you have defined the fields of the table topography, we can enter we forgot to to add this top code and top description fields. So we top code, the text is text 5, and the second is top description, and the text is, I think it was 25. So we added already two fields. And now let's go to the next question. And now we should add information to our two fields, top code and to top description, C1, C2. Again, in order to make changes within our table, we again go to edit features and start editing. We can go also here, but it's more convenient way, comfortable way. So now we add open again our table, and now here we can see that we can add information to our fields C1, C2, and here is a concave and cave and convex. And afterwards we again just save our edits and stop editing. So the information to our field has been added. Join fields of the table topography to the attribute table of the dataset soil. Actually here is soil map, right? So soil map. Here is our, can close this, and here is our soil map and topography. Now we will learn how to join two tables according to their similar attributes. Here we have top code, top description, and here is our LU code, right? So these tables, these attributes are the same, top code, and here is LU code, right? So we can just add to join two attributes, join two tables to each other according to the similar attribute. For this, we click to this. We have two options actually. We can work with Arc Toolbox again, right? So here is the joins and add join, right? But I will prefer to choose another option. For instance, I go to a soil map, joins and relate, and I click here join. Here is my LU code, right? And here is automatically finds top code because the values are similar. So I make a print screen of my join here, join data function, and I just click OK. The join field in the table you are joined to the target is not indexed. I would like to automatically create an index for the join field and join. Okay, let's click OK, and again open the attribute table of our soil map. So here we can see that the two additional table from the other the topography table has been added to our soil map attribute. Why we need to join? For instance, you just have your Excel data, right? You imported your Excel data into ArcMap using just create table, and you also have spatial data, and you want to merge your spatial data with your table, right? And here is a tool, join. And the last question is just remove your join. It's easy again. We can find here join relates, remove joins, remove all joins. And now we open again our attribute table of soil map, and the two additional fields are deleted.